Yeah, I think
So,
I think we start
Thomas, you
slowly.
start?
We can just, yeah, I can.
Sure. Okay, everyone. First of all, welcome to our webinar today, and so we're glad that we had a good list of registration, and now we have almost half room full, which is a good news for us as enPower.life, and we probably want to continue these webinars and having more topics for you regarding to our activities in emerging markets. So we're starting shortly, so I will start with myself. So I'll introduce myself. So I'm Behzad, working for enV.tech Germany, and somehow mandating on our enPower.life project as Chief Operating Officer and playing the role of business development for enV.tech Germany. And today we have two speakers with us, Thomas Frank and Matthias Eifert, who will join us shortly. So Thomas, you can continue with introducing yourself.
Yes, thank you. So I am the guy in the middle. Before we have this quarantine, I didn't have that beard, so it looks a little bit different. I just discovered the picture is 2 years old. So yeah, I am happy that we're starting this webinar finally. So I hope everybody is safe, and yeah, in Germany we are working mainly from home somehow, but I know that it's like worldwide now a lot of home office work. So we use the chance to start these webinars, and yeah, I'm working in development aid projects, and I'm from the background here working with renewable energy since many years, and now we have like this financing concept in the background, and would be happy to speak today about green bond concept and how it's working and what is a green bond in general. Yeah, and yeah, please.
I'll go over the agenda. So we have three parts actually, not two. So the first part is the green bond concept, and then we compare the standard bond with the performance-based bond, and then we speak about enPower.life green bond. So principally after each part, I will give a short break to our speakers, which is not a real break. So during the presentation, you can ask your question. I will collect all the questions in the room, and then I will ask the question from our speakers during the break between each part. So, and you can write your question in the chat room. It can be even a question in the public area, or you can directly send it to me as your question. So, and then we will have another part at the end of our presentation, which you can also ask your questions, or if there is anything additional that Thomas or Matthias want to explain, they can do it then. So yeah, we will go to the presentation, and Thomas will start with the green bond concept shortly. So before we start, can you just shortly write in the chat which countries are you coming from? So it's always nice to see how you're going around and how many people we have from different countries. So if you can find the chat room, just write your country, and then Thomas will start shortly in 1 minute.
Okay. So to make sure that the chat is working.
Yeah, I received some. Yeah, yes, it's popping up. Let's see. So we have Jordan, and we have Germany. So mostly Germany, I would say so far. India, UK, so Brazil, Nigeria. Nice. We have a collection of, I would say, good countries all over the world. I know we have one lady from Bangladesh. Okay, yes. Bangladesh, Nigeria, Brazil, India, UK, Germany, and Jordan so far.
Yeah, nice. So, yeah, happy to see you all. I think we are just starting with the first round, and we want to grow the enPower.life community and want to explain what we are doing and what is the concept. So in the past, we have like a trend for renewable energy investments, and in particular, the green bond is one instrument which is growing as the last years. So we have like a global investment in new renewable power from less than 50 billion per year in 2004 to around 300 billion US dollar in the recent years. So it's a growing investment in renewable energy. So, and we have like a lot of, in 90% it's in solar photovoltaic in 2018. So this is a big growing over the last years, and we have a geographical shift as well. So it's moving more to emerging and the developing markets. And and it was around 60% in 2018 for renewable energy or renewable power investment. So the majority is moving in this direction, and it's a huge trend to invest. The thing is that it needs new business models and new investment vehicles to invest in this particular type of business. So if you're speaking about these numbers and, for example, Arena, so has estimated the investment in renewable energy to increase the temperature below 1.5 degrees, so about 22.5 trillion US dollar into the next around 30 years, something like that. So in true, we are just moving the entire power production into renewable energy in the next years. So, but we need, like, if we are speaking about emerging countries, so then we need like other type of business models as well. So, and the global renewable energy investment, we see in the graph how it's growing over the years. It looks like it's coming to a plateau, but the reason is that the costs